In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import sales receipts into QuickBooks. Before you begin the actual import, it's important to make sure your file is prepared correctly. A little cleanup at the start can save you a lot of time and help you avoid errors later. Your CSV or Excel file should include clear column headers. At minimum, make sure you have columns for customer, date, item, amount, and the deposit to account. For the date, use the MMDDYY format so QuickBooks can read it properly without confusion. It's also a good idea to download and use a sample template whenever one is available. Most third-party QuickBooks import tools provide templates that are already structured for the import process. Using one of those templates helps reduce data mapping problems and makes it easier to line up your spreadsheet with the fields QuickBooks expects. Next, clean up your data carefully. Double-check that customer names and item names match exactly with what already exists in your QuickBooks company file. Even small differences like extra spaces, abbreviations, or slightly different spelling can cause duplicate records or import issues. Taking a few extra minutes here can make the rest of the process much smoother. Once your file is ready, go into QuickBooks Online and start the import. Click the +Create button, then select Batch Transactions. In the Select Transaction Type drop-down menu, choose Sales Receipts and then click Import CSV. This opens the import tool where you'll bring in your file. Now browse for your spreadsheet on your computer, select it and click Open. If that option is available and it fits your workflow, you can choose to automatically add new customers during the import. This can be helpful if your file includes customers who are not yet in your QuickBooks list, but you'll still want to make sure the names are consistent and accurate. After the upload, QuickBooks will ask you to map the fields. This means you'll match each spreadsheet column to the correct QuickBooks field. Take your time during this part. If you see highlighted rows in red, that usually means there's an error or a mismatch that needs attention. Review those rows closely and correct anything that doesn't line up. Finally, review the preview screen before completing the import. This is your chance to confirm that the customer names, dates, items, amounts, and deposit accounts are all appearing correctly. When everything looks right, click Save to finish the import. And that's how to import sales receipts into QuickBooks accurately and efficiently.